So how can you use the Google Translate offline on the iPhone? Let's explain that and let's get started. If it's your first time on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course, you can start using Google Translate when you download the app from the App Store. That's pretty simple. Of course, make sure you have it, but the whole point is that you need to have the languages downloaded for offline using. So whenever you are inside of the regular page where you paste the text and translate it, tap on the languages, and you can notice that some of them have the option of downloading. So there is the arrow pointing down in a circle. So you can tap on it and you'll be able to download that specific language for offline use. And that's incredibly useful because if you are traveling, for example, or you need to talk to other people or quickly translate something and you might not have access to the internet, you can at least switch or translate in between these downloaded languages. So I guess it gets the job done. It works out well. Obviously, I'm not saying that you have to use the Google Translate because you also have the Apple Translate and very same thing is available there. So downloading languages can be done through other services as well. But you can see plenty of different options. It's not even going to take up a lot of storage. So give it a try. Let me know how you like it and subscribe for upcoming tutorials and videos like this one.